Many of you might actually know Bianca Bustamante, one of the most influential female drivers in this current era of motorsports. Bianca Bustamante was born on the 19th of January 2005 in Laguna, Philippines, starting her driving career in go-karting at the age of 5 years old and winning the 2019 Asian Karting Open X30 Junior Championships. Bianca is known for joining F1 Academy in 2022 and being the first female driver in McLaren's driver development program. And currently she's driving in the GB3 Championships for Elite Motorsports.